Now, part 2. Look at my new slime. Okay. Do you guys see?
Can you see?
Ryan, can you look up at the screen and see if they see it? See? Can you look up at my screen and see if they can see?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. Guys, so this is what
I think I lost my
it looks like with all of them mixed together. This is what it looks like with all of them mixed together.
So a little bit of destruction.
And then, Ryan, go ahead and go into the count of ours and see what
Go!
it looks like.
Go! Bum, 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 bum. No! No! People are just falling. I cheat. Hi there, baller.
Okay. This is what it looks like without the tinsel. And it's super sticky.
He's gonna stand out.
So, what do we think we like better? Do we think we like... Ryan, I have a question. Do you like the darker version or the one with all the tinsel and stuff? Which one do you like better?
I think I would like the butt head.
The light or dark?
I think I would like the dark.
The dark
Yeah,
better.
dark,
It doesn't
dark.
have any glitter.
Wait, light.
You like the lighter one better?
Light.
And this one's super sticky, this one.
Light.
Let's put the dark over the light because we're going to mix them all. Here, just take all this slime out. Or actually, don't do anything. Ryan is going to entertain you guys.
Hey guys! Today we are playing some Roblox. Okay, so here we go. Okay, guys, she's back. I was just playing some Roblox.
Okay, be right back.
I don't think he.
Okay, we're back. Okay, Ryan, do they see? Look at the camera. Ooh, pop these bubbles. Ryan, tell me if they see. Tell me if they see.
Yeah. I can't believe I made that. I think that is straw. Or your nose.
It makes it a little darker.
Oh no.
But we're gonna put tinsel over it afterwards.
Hell nah. Hell nah. You know what
Don't say that. This is for kids.
Hey. I'm saying hey.
Oh, hey, nah.
Escorted mission.
Oh, Mom calling me. You entertain them. Again.
I think I lost my consciousness. Sit and I. Say you stay there. Oh, Jays. Jays. Macaroni with the chicken strip. How much time?
Your floor. You weren't paying attention. That's why you don't need to play games. Now, how are we gonna hide this thing? Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh no. Here, give me a blanket. Give me a blanket. Give me a blanket. Here, actually, this works. Oh, I got it clean. We're gonna do a part 3.